Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to install the window into our opening using the right fasteners and the appropriate sealant. Before applying sealant, dry fit your window into the opening. After dry fitting your window, apply sealant to the flange of the window or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The sealant has been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. One very important note about installing casements, it takes 2 people minimum to install. The first person needs to hold onto the sash so the entire frame is against the substrate. The second installer is going to be on the inside, fastening the anchors through the frame and into the substrate. Following the product approval, use the appropriate fasteners to anchor your window into the substrate. Use shims at every fastener location to fully support the frame, as well as keeping the frame square, level, true, and plumb. For best practices, open and close your sash after a couple of fasteners. Ensure that the sash operates smoothly and locks, and continue that same practice. If there's issues with the sash opening, you know the last 2 fasteners are probably your issues. This casement window is now anchored and operates correctly. We can apply a bead of sealant on the exterior perimeter of the window. To recap, I've now installed the window using the right fasteners and the appropriate sealant. In the next video, I'm going to complete the finishing touches on this window.